I think number one, the magnitude and the size of it. It's the largest as far as we're aware, at least from firsthand experience from going to it for the past decade now. It's the largest place for all of us, our ocean professionals, to meet. It's a great opportunity to meet not just customers, which I think any B2B business is looking for customers when they exhibit at a trade show, but it's also to meet with the other suppliers. There's only so many times in a year that you get to collaborate with other professionals in the ocean industry to be able to, from our side, we're a robotic vehicle manufacturer. We're collaborating with a bunch of different sensor manufacturers all at once. So we want to make sure that we're having an ongoing conversation so that we can develop something for the industry that is really the best tool for the professionals in the industry. The biggest outcome, of course, is new business. We like to meet new customers. We like to find new applications for our equipment and learn more about their applications so we can develop better. But the other big outcome is new product development. We really see that new conversations started with other exhibitors tends to start at Oceanology and lead to product future.